Hi, I'm Renee from Biology Block E. Today I'm going to talk about the vocabulary from Chapter 3. The three vocabulary I'm going to talk about today are isotonic, hypertonic, and hypotonic. The first vocabulary is isotonic. The definition of it is an isotonic solution has the same concentration of dissolved particles as the cell. So that means, as the diagram shows, the concentration of the water outside of the cell is the same as the concentration of the water inside the cell. So here are some enrichments. The water molecules move into and out of the cell at an equal rate. So the size of the cell will not change and it will remain constant. The second vocabulary is hypertonic. The definition is a hypertonic solution has a higher concentration of dissolved particles than a cell. So, as the diagram shows, the water outside of the cell has a higher concentration because it has more solute, and the concentration of water inside the cell is lower since it has less solute. Some enrichment of this vocabulary: the water concentration is higher inside the cell than outside. So the waters will tend to flow out of the cell because the definition of osmosis is the water molecules move from lower concentration to higher concentration. So it will cause the cell to shrivel, and when it becomes so small it will die. And the hypertonic solution also require higher osmotic pressure than the solution it compares. The last vocabulary is hypertonic. The definition of that is a hypertonic solution has a lower concentration of dissolved particles than a cell. So as you can see, the concentration of water outside of the cell is lower since it has less solute, and the concentration of water is bigger inside the cell because it has more solute. So more water will tend to cross the membrane and go inside the cell. So if too much water enters the cell membrane would expand, and when it becomes so large it will explode. And the hypotonic solution also require lower osmotic pressure than the solution it compares.